Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can implement the singleton pattern in JavaScript. So you can see here I have created a singleton function, and inside this I have taken an instance variable, and inside it I am just creating another function with name of create instance, and inside this from I'm just returning the string which is singleton instance, and then I'm returning with another function to which named as get instance, and inside it there is condition if instance this instance variable is false, then it will create an instance, otherwise it will not create an instance. Okay, it will just return the instance. So this is the process, or we can say just a simple method for creating the instance. And here I am calling this basically this get instance. So this get instance will basically automatically call, if it will check if instance is null, then it will call this create instance. Okay, and it will return this message from here. Okay, and here I've just added one console log to check whether things are working fine or not, so you can see those things. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, here another one get instance. So here I have created two instance variables in which I have compared instance 1 and instance 2. If both instance, or we can say object, will be equal, then it will simply return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so here I will run this, and you can see it has gone inside this debugger, inside if instance. So this is again here. So first time it has called, but second time you can say it found that instance is true. Okay, that means instance is not null basically, so it will not go inside this. Okay, so in the last, basically it compared to instances and it found the same, exactly same, because we are here using the triple equal, so it found exactly the same object, so it has returned true. So these things I can also debug it. So for example, I'm just putting a debugger here inside the if method, not method, if condition, and here I am going to use the same command node index.js. I have already running here node, so that's why I'm using this command. So here you can see it has gone, it has came here first time, and if I will go out from here, and at second line you can see when it called, but it has not gone inside the same condition, and you can see it printed true. So yeah, I hope you got the idea how singleton instance is working in JavaScript. So that is all guys in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.